People
Hmm.
have to be sold. They don't have to be pressured, okay? But they have to be sold. And the only time people are sold is in a conversation. That's it. That's it. The only time someone is sold is in a conversation. So the same way me and you kept talking back and forth, right? And I was building out and I was talking to you. I didn't pressure you. I spoke to you. Okay. And because you were also interested, I just kept speaking to you and I was making adjustments because I knew that I wanted to do this for you. Okay. That's
Hmm.
also important. I knew I wanted to do this for you, just like you have to know you want to do what you're doing your event for people. If you want people to show up, okay.
Right.
Every single day I get text messages and emails from all sorts of companies asking all sorts of things from me. So once I see someone on Instagram, if someone sees you on Instagram and they opt in, they can go to your folders, see if they look at it, and then they can just not buy in the moment. They offer all sorts of reasons. They didn't have their credit card on them. Right? All these other reasons that fucking happen all the time, which I blew my mind. And then guess what? I just like had my wife call them.